Jeff, we've had your Triumph in.
Yes.
Beautiful bike.
Lovely.
With some lovely bling on it. That wasn't very happy.
No, neither was I. Never mind the bike.
Where's it been? Apparently it's been everywhere.
It's been with Bob Farnham, the guru of Triumphs. It's been with a guy down in Leicestershire, but his job wasn't to do anything engine-wise with it. He was just trying to get it to start. I couldn't get it to start originally.
Right. So you ended up at Dragon Motorbikes.
We've ended up here on
with how many horsepower, Nath?
26.
26 horsepower when it
on one
arrived.
cylinder.
And on one cylinder.
Might have been 50 odd on two.
Yeah. Nathan has done his magic on it. He's got it going, and it's now producing 78 horsepower.
78 horsepower.
Utilising both pistons.
And it's not just good at